Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to close Epic Games Launcher, what it says, currently running. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If the Epic Games Launcher is showing as currently running, even though you've closed it, you can try the following steps to force close the launcher. Method 1. Task Manager. Step 1. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. Step 2. In the Processes or Details tab, find any instances of the Epic Games Launcher. Right-click on each instance, and choose End Task or End Process. Step 3. Try launching the Epic Games Launcher again to see if the issue persists. Method 2. System Tray. Step 1. Look for the Epic Games Launcher icon and the system tray, bottom right corner of the taskbar. Step 2. Right-click on the Epic Games Launcher icon. Choose Exit or Close. Step 3. Restart the Epic Games Launcher to see if the currently running message is resolved. Method 3. Command Prompt. Step 1. Right-click on the Start button and select Command Prompt Admin or Windows PowerShell Admin. Step 2. Type the following command on the description below. Step 3. Try launching the Epic Games Launcher again. Method 4. Restart your PC. A simple restart of your computer can often resolve issues with lingering processes. Method 5. Check background processes. Step 1. Open the Task Manager and check for any background processes related to Epic Games Launcher, and these processes if they are still running. Step 2. Open the Services window by pressing Windows R, typing Services MSC provided in the description below, and pressing Enter. Look for any Epic Games services, right-click, and stop them. After performing these steps, attempt to relaunch the Epic Games Launcher. If the issue persists, you may want to reconsider reinstalling the Epic Games Launcher or contacting Epic Games Support for further assistance. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.